Hi, I'm going to show you how the newspaper round works with our software. It's a built-in feature that we have for news agents, those who do delivery. We try to simplify it, and it's just a three-step format. Once you create the round, you just pretty much print it every day, and the bills get automatically added to the customer account. So first we do with the customer. Here we have a live database of a customer of a shop called Queens Road shop based in Chester. They have a lot of customers added to their database. They do daily deliveries. So as you can see, there are a lot of customers they have. To create a customer, it's simple. So we just say first customer name is EPOS and the last is testing. Okay, and we just say a high street, and I'll just give it a postcode, say for example HP180YT, a home telephone and mobile 281. Email address is not needed. Active, we probably assign a credit limit up to £100. Okay, and I just save the customer. So the EPOS testing is saved. Now I can basically I can edit it, and you can change the limits and things as well. Here you can assign the newspapers as well. We can say it's going with the day Daily Star. um, we can basically we can either search it, or we can just add new from our list of the newspapers that we have Daily Star. I select for the customer and I just save him. So basically EPOS testing gets the Daily Star every day. Okay, so you can see if you edit it, you will see this customer is getting Daily Star. This customer, if you edit, you will see what they are getting. Okay, so you can see what newspapers they actually get daily. Okay, you can see these customers are getting, which customer gets which newspaper daily. Okay, you can also add a delivery charge, which is optional. You can either charge by the newspaper or an additional delivery charge on top of the newspaper. So that's you can set from here. Once you create a customer, our next step, we go to our newspaper rounds module. In newspaper rounds, we add the newspapers from here. You can add all the newspapers, which day they are published, what are the price, is it daily, weekly, or weekends, or monthly. You can just say, you can just actually mention here and save the newspapers. We have the list of newspapers that usually comes, so we can probably supply you that as well. Once you added newspaper, we just pretty much just create the rounds. So rounds are here. So we have created, this customer have created actually rounds on a based on frequency and areas. Instead of postcodes, they have given the area names, and they just put which day they actually deliver on these areas, and they just save it. Okay, now you can assign a customer within this round. So you select this one, select the area name, and then you press assign customer. Okay, you can search EPOS testing, say, so if we search this customer and I want to assign to this round, and this one has been added, I just save it. So round is saved. Okay, so this is how you just add a customer to a round. Close. And delivery slips are pretty simple. So you just come here, you create a new round, select the like the person who goes, and the round date is always, we print it every day just so that we don't miss anything, and we just press generate, and this is where everything comes. See, this EPOS testing has been added to this list of home round 1. Proceed and save. That actually prints your delivery slip for the day. So this the guy takes it. I'll show you how this slip appears. I'll save it in the downloads folder. Close. So let me show you how this appears. As you can see, this will tell you how many of these newspapers you need to take out today. Okay, so then the quantity and the name of the newspapers on the top. So basically Daily Mail you need to take 4, Daily newspapers 7, Daily Express 30, Guardian 7, Daily 5. So these are the number of newspapers you need to take out today, and these are the addresses you need to deliver. See this EPOS system we created, they just need one start today. So this is what it actually prints on your receipt printer. So what you do is you just keep the newspapers along with this slip, and the guide simply comes and takes the newspapers and go. This also tells the address, the round name, and what newspaper they get for every single person and every single address. Okay, so this is how it comes. This person actually takes a lot of newspapers, as you can see. So basically, this could be a care home or something. Sometimes they take a lot of newspapers. It needs to be delivered daily, so it could be useful. So close this one for you, and I go back to the software. This is pretty much it actually. Now I'll show you how you generate the customer reports. So if you go to customers, you can basically select any of this customer and see their statement, or you can generate a bill. Okay, you can select a customer, say for this customer you can which date to which date. So you can say I want to start from April 1st to 31st of April. Okay, you can see the view outstanding, there is none, so you don't probably need to print any, and if there is outstanding balance you can print and send him the bill. You can also take the deposits. Say if you take a deposit, you can add a deposit from a customer, cash or card. Okay, so if I'm giving you a deposit, you can just say, okay, I'm having £100 deposit of you, so that will be deducted. So that can also be done from here. This is quite comprehensive feature, very useful. So once we install, we can go through further training for you. But this hopefully will give you a bit of insight of how this software actually works. You can also add vouchers here as well. You can add a voucher. Okay, you can voucher date, you can date the voucher, name and the amount for the voucher, because some customers get voucher that gets credited against the newspapers. So you can actually assign vouchers as well. Um, Yep, I think that's pretty much it. And the software is pretty handy, it's very comprehensive. And also this newspaper round is quite widely used among our customers as well. Hopefully, you'll get an idea of how this actually works. Thank you. Bye bye.